Hey everybody, it's Greg McDaniel and welcome to our script of the day. Okay guys, this question came to us and it was, how do I explain when a Zillow buyer calls me off of a Zillow home that's being advertised and they say, hey, is this your listing? How do you explain that you're not the listing agent? Well, it's really kind of simple, guys. And again, what we always preach here is openness and transparency, right? So you say, hey, you know what, Matt, thank you so much for calling me. You know what, we didn't have the opportunity to list that home, but we do work heavily in that marketplace. When would you like to go out and take a look at it? So what you did is, and there's two scripts. I'll give you the other script here in a second. And that script is that you told them that you were very professional. You do a lot of business in the area. You thank them for coming and contacting you. And you try to set the appointment to get out in the car where you can start building your rapport in person, because over the phone, it's harder to build rapport, especially if they're only asking for one thing. You want to get out and show the home to them, then they can meet you and you guys can really build a bond. So here's the other script I would use on that. So here it is. Hey, Matt, thanks so much for reaching out. No, actually, that property is not our listing. Yeah, I know it's confusing. Trust me. This is how Zillow does this, for to maximize their revenue, right? Yeah, it's all about the corporate dollar. But this is how it is. They pay 3 spots right here so that we have the opportunity to meet folks like you who are actively hunting and be able to build a relationship and then go out and help the other agent sell the home. And there's actually a really big benefit for not working with the listing agent. And this is the fact of the matter is that, are you familiar with the term familiar with the term fiduciary relationship? Well, you're not. Okay, well, you know what? Not many people are. Not a problem. I'll explain it super quick. It just says basically that listing agent has the legal obligation to get the highest and best price for the seller. And a buyer's agent like myself, I have a fiduciary relationship, a legal relationship with you to get the lowest and best price for that home. So yeah, it kind of makes it difficult for them to get the highest price if you're trying to get the lowest. I totally agree with you. Hey, when do you have an opportunity to get out in the car? Let's go take a look at this thing. Are you guys free this week, in the next couple days? Today? Yeah, I can do 4:30. Outstanding. I look forward to meeting you, Matt. I'll bring some other listings out there for you so we can take a look at them if you got some time. Okay, yeah. See you at 4:30. Okay, bye. There it is, guys. You know what? Show them that the fiduciary relationship, it's that mythical idea of like, if I work with the listing agent, I'm going to get a better deal. No, you're not. Legally, they have to get the highest and best price, and they have to advise you to pay more. Let the buyer's agent, go to battle for you. Go try to chop those sellers' legs off. All right? There you go, guys. There's that script for you.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out our script of the day. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. That's how YouTube really knows that you like this type of content. And then if you're not already aware, if you haven't watched us on our real estate podcast, Real Estate Uncensored, it's all about how to combine high-tech and high-touch methods to build a life of freedom through real estate. So you can look us up on iTunes or Stitcher and subscribe to Real Estate Uncensored. Look forward to the next one, guys.